Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. Question is, how is tinnitus caused? And the answer that I have is hearing loss and other factors. Now, tinnitus is not as straightforward as was once thought. There's actually a number of different factors that come into play, but still, it nearly always requires some level of hearing loss. Most of the time, people are kind of slightly aware, or they're at least not surprised that they have hearing loss. Because usually if you have even a little bit of hearing loss, you normally realize it. Hearing loss is, there's an organ in your ear called the cochlea. It looks like a snail, which you may remember from diagrams from biology class. That contains hair cells, and those hair cells are sensitive to vibrations in the air, which are what sound causes, and they help your brain perceive those vibrations and convert them into audible sound in your mind, I guess. And when these hair cells become damaged, you suffer hearing loss, and a lot of people who get hearing loss will go on and develop tinnitus as well. Now, there are also other things that are implicated. For example, a lot of people get tinnitus after an ear infection, or after a sinus infection, or if they have a jaw disorder or some other joint disorder in the head. So there are many other factors that are also influence your outcome and how intense your tinnitus is. But the main primary factor is hearing loss, and unfortunately that's irreversible. But there are other things that you can do still anyway. So anyway, that's how tinnitus is caused. And going on to what I was talking about, I want to recommend to you that you visit a site below, because whilst hearing loss is irreversible, there is still a lot that you can do about your tinnitus, and there's still a lot of research going on as well, although there aren't currently any efficient drugs. But for now, what you can do is you can obtain relief from your tinnitus in terms of a decrease in intensity of even just 1 or 2 points, which would make a profound difference in your life. I'm sure you'd agree. And you can do that using natural methods, such as modifying your diet, avoiding certain foods that are known to be terrible for people with tinnitus, various lifestyle changes. And when I say that, I don't just mean exercise. I mean many other things that you wouldn't believe are implicated in tinnitus, that you can try and eliminate from your household, and hopefully get a decrease in your symptoms because of it. And there are also other techniques as well. So I really want to recommend to you, if you want to get some relief from your tinnitus, please check out the website I put in the description box below. Click on the link, it'll take you to the site. You can see exactly what is said there. Some of the things there will blow you away, that you wouldn't have guessed actually could be involved in your tinnitus. So I think you'll be very interested to see this website, regardless of what you do after that. If you're curious, then rightly so, because this is an alternative to, you may have tried tinnitus pills that are just apparently like a hodgepodge of natural ingredients that didn't do anything for you. This is different. This, for starters, this technique, what the site advises. For starters, you can also, it advises different supplements that you can take, and these aren't expensive concoctions that you have to buy. These are things you can get from your local GNC or other health store. So there's some great and solid advice that can really help you get some relief from your tinnitus, and some relief is better than nothing. I'm sure you'll agree. So just click on the link below and you'll go straight to that site, and I hope you really benefit from it, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.